Yeah, I had just got out the county, man. He pulled right up on me, man.
TV, man.
My dog for life.
A lot of BFC shit, man. You know, we vlogging. Got my boy Julo.
Hey, bitch.
My boy Julo, man.
CNC shit, nigga.
Out here working, man. Still working. Album on the way. Lena grandson. My boy stay working, you know what I'm saying? Stay doing this shit, man. Came a long way, man. From the apartment breezeway, you feel me?
Cuz on the beat.
Came a long way from the breezeway, you know, just popping shit, talking about it. This shit in motion there, man. Big motion shit, man. 2023, 24, 25, etc. You know what the fuck going on, man.
Man, I said what I said, had a nigga spend a night with a nigga led. Big homie living in the gun, I don't play that. Remember I was broke, I ain't have a place to lay. I can get you knocked off on the face, I'm okay that. Remember I was broke, I ain't have a place to lay. I can get you knocked off on the face, I'm okay that.
Trapping out the bando, just in my last home. Got a nigga sell good gas out of Lando. She gon' do it if I ask got on commando. I ain't never worried about the bitch if I had a hoe. Try to step on shit, man, the shit get hectic. Pay with the shit, not a bitch ain't ready. Feeling like J. Cole, but I ain't poet. All I want is money, I don't need no setback.
All I want extra, run up a check that just extra. Hell yeah, Julo go scratch her. Get that work and I'm a scratcher. Hell yeah, Julo want extra. Run up a check that get extra. Switch on the joint that just extra. Hell yeah, bitch, I'm so extra. Julo gon' run up and give me a.
Yeah, my boy working, man. Yeah, that boy working, man.
Black Medellin, BFC, nigga. Get in a long way, strong way, bitch. Coming harder. This out here, we going from here above and beyond, nigga. Bud Light.
Taking that shit to the next level, baby. We going up, baby. For real shit,
state,
man.
State, county to county, city to city, this shit, baby. Just hit me, goddamn. You feel me? I'm go in. Hey, you seen my text? I just text you. I say you seen my text. My phone. I say you seen my text.
And I told him whatever you throw in, I'm probably gonna throw that back in and put a little more on top of it.
What you would charge for like a 4-hour session? Like with me and my artists is like a 4-hour session.
I look out a 4-hour session. I do like 1:30.
It's like the more I pay, the more he gets up.
That's
you mix and master too, right? I don't know. And I'm finna do an album. It's songs already recorded that I ain't mastered. You know what I'm saying? And I ain't probably mixed good. Like a couple of like I fuck with different producers, so I just ain't real. Like I'm about to be
you have stems. You have stems?
I can get them.
Okay.
I can re-record.
It's not the biggest deal.
I can re-record them.
Either way.
I want to see how you mix it. Like I said, it's been since 2016. So I know you fine. Or you'll find it. Ying. I got in my bag, I ran it off fast, these niggas ain't want me to make it. I can't fuck with these niggas I bad, I agree to fuck with that face shit. I'm too real, I can't fuck with that face. Alright.
You want the first bar?
Alright, yeah, I'm gonna do the first bar, I'm gonna punch in. It's a tongue twister. To the sub. 2 Medellin. And the bitch would've got down thud on my neck, nigga. Huh? That ain't gave me shit, nigga. Hey, 2. What happened, baby? Let go. Hey,
I got in my bag, I ran it up fast. These niggas ain't want me to make it. I can't go in the... Alright, I got in my bag, they ain't want me to make it.
You want to keep your intro?
Yeah.
BFC TV.
You go slow, bro.
Man, what Julo, Mondo out the Jake, man, big vlog shit, big work shit, you know what I'm saying? Big work shit. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Whole lot of BLC shit going on. You know what I'm saying? Stay tuned.
Car seat. I'm a kid ass for a positive
Yeah.
reason. I don't get you right now, bitch. I'm fighting.
Drone motherfucker.
Going to the app real quick.
Fattening crab all
2024.
If y'all want the B-roll,
Back to my craft.
I'll be to do that shit in 10 minutes.
Work, baby.
The more you do it, the more better and faster.
That shit really work.
I learned about the whole engineering too.
That shit really work.
You can't do that shit 1 week and next week not doing it. You gonna get
I got it.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah. I can cut the volume out. What is that right there?
Record it.
I ain't never been in here.
I'm saying on the shit.
With the smoke shop, this junk got.
You know, a video, girl, that's a good right there. Walking like that, look at the angle like that, coming in something. Yeah.
Not the fishing pole lighter, that ain't tough. Yeah, man. Every time I was around Juice, he always wanted me to roll the camera. He just said, just let it roll, bro. And that's what I did.
I got an upgrade.
What is this?
I got the goosebumps, bro. I feel like I told my partner, we're gonna go up to
That's a good feeling.
the nigga gonna go up to the 24 like my
What is this?
my Native American too.
That's
That pump them hands itching. You heard that shit? Yeah. It's my shit. It's like on some music.
Not want that.
Oh yeah. We finna get it, bro.
Look. Man.
Bro, I get millionaire Barry all over out there.
Always believe in my vision. Always trust my vision. And my process and thoughts.
North Chronicles, man.
Miss you, bro.
I'm running up cash, I'm doing the dash. I'm staying 10 toes on go, I put that bullshit in the past. I need to go check it.
Ooh, BFC World.
This shit ain't no.
Yeah.
Hey, bitch.
Yeah.